Ngiyengijabule kuba nale sense of contentment ukuthi wow at least ngaba nayo ipicture ukuthi uyahamba lo mfu lona so uhambela wonke ngisambona a good 80,000 miles kuya le eBoston. Then uthi uvula le jacket ukhanza le brown t-shirt ibhalet MIT. Owayemaphoyiseni eBedford Town. Le dolobha lengibekuse njengeLouvre. Nafika baya esitolo la alithenge khona bakhona identified as a student from Swaziland Nkabelo Zwane funze MIT. Bamthatha ke bamfaka ka Albert Funeral Parlor wathi lokangivisa buhlungu nanyalo ngeke ngisho I'm still saying it. Ngeke ngithi Albert walelani nangithi mina ngikhombisa ungisendele through my email tonke leti thombe sendimshutha ala ku deathbed.
Nakhona indvo leshintsha impilo yemuntu imnikete injabulo kwemukela sipho sekuba ngumtali. Batali baba nemaphupho lamahle ngetimpilo tebantfwana babo babe netifiso tekuthi batawukhula babe lutho kusasa bawe bavuke nabo ngoba batimisele ukuthi lawo maphupho atawufezeka ngenkani. Sikhuluma nemtali lo wathi khandla kufundzisa abantwana bakhe edvana laselitubulo lakhe naselithole umfundzate wekuyoceceshwa even leMelika balivalelisa lahamba la ngenisheya bethemba ukuthi liyawubuya selilengisa umjiva kepha lo mvana akabuyanga. Ka Echoes of the Kingdom lomuhla sihlala phansi namake Nomonde Mabuza make waKabelo Zwane.
Sanibusela senemukela kulesinye phinza siqephu se-Echoes of the Kingdom. Libito lami ngisenethemba ingomntu obusika wakwaDlamini, and this is a production that is brought to you proudly by Umsakato waKangwane. Njengenhlala yendake, we are in this very beautiful place, Ebahle Pantry at the Foundry. We are situated just behind Matapa Link. So if you want to come through for a cup of coffee on a cold day like today, or you just want a quiet place, the Foundry is the perfect place for you, and they are our venue sponsor and partner. Echoes of the Kingdom, we bring you stories no matins about the Maswati who have things that they want to celebrate, but also Maswati want to tell us about their struggles. Today, Echoes of the Kingdom, we have Mage Nomonde Mabuza. Mage Nomonde is a former teacher. She's a single mom. She's also a businesswoman. But just Bandi, her story. So we encourage you to lean in, Lalele, because this is going to be a really compelling story. Mshangum Shabalal, thank you so much, Mage, for coming. Thank you for honoring our invite. Like Echoes of the Kingdom. Mhlawumbe ungaqala ngechazela umbukeli ukuthi ngibani Nomonde Mabuza. Nguphi ekhaya, ukhuliswa ngubani, nikhula bangaki, nikhula njani?
Yes, indeed. My name is Nomonde Mabuza from a family of 5 girls, raised by a single mom who took us from to schools like St. Michael's Primary
and
to the high school.
Nikulela kuphi?
Sikulela, siqale sihlale esicelweni briefly though.
Okay.
Mina ke jana ngabe sengithathwa ngogogo sekunalolo ngilamako. Wangithatha gogo from eBuswaneni. Ngaze ngathi nangidongena isikole ngalani mfangisisi wami lo wekucala. Nasisahlala esicelweni base kuthiwa sesiyathutha saya eTwo Sticks. I think nasifika eTwo Sticks wonke umfana lokhulele lapho wakhanza ukuthi idignity yemuntu lapho ke yaba restored. Abeta ngivalela zibani sekhabo kunagezi kunemandi. It was just uniform and it was perfect, beautiful area for raising, township for raising children compared to letikom letikhona. Sasinasifika ku grade 7 lalabancane labangu2 bangena hostel primary thina sangena high school hostel because make lapho ke beyasange share awusebenta kaambassador sika kunene eWashington DC. Anyway, wabuya because you know when you are raising girls vele they need ningane bafana bayayidinga ukuthi kube ne parent lekhona. At any rate, I don't want to lie. My father was involved in academic welfare. Wangithatha wathi this is for your betterment. Wangithatha ngimikisa eLwengo Shem ngicala nekwelwengo. I was very happy to be at Egamet University. Anyway, kwahamba
ufika ufunza in Mage
diploma in home economics.
Okay.
Kwaphela 2 years ngacedza. That is where I met Baba Kabelo's father, Berry. The best dancer, the best guy who was well known for his, how can I put it, music kwakubutwa yena. Laba labendi BSc bathi isifuna hayi kwakungasima sithi inaku
Macassette.
sifuna ukuthi abaningi. Siyambuta wena wazongenela lokhu wasikena ngathi nangiceda isikole wathi umzala wakhe wakavulakati enhlangano kuneke ukuthi uthole kungeka kule tinto letenteka la emhlabeni awunginakele naye i-record buyer. That was when he fell in love with music. Kanti nami nje ngiyalalela umusic top 20 ekhaya. It was enough. It was okay.
Uhlakunika yena macassette ma. Uthi ngwakhelena licassette.
No, not per se. Siyale roomini yakhe. Kwajayiva kuba mnanzi isihle sidadisha kubekwa la ngaphandle. But at any rate sicede ngihambe mina ngiyegege sengiphuma ngipregnant. Nasiya kugege nangiyagege naye ayekubo Jerusalem la afundisa khona. Awungithi ngihleli, like I said, my father was involved. But gogo lotala maka athi hey kumaka khipha umuntu because uyasebenza nomonda kana nkinga soyahola. Ato gobi kwalesiso. Baba wakhe wakhona ke kuyobhadala ku Dr. Gama, may his soul rest in peace, enhlangano. Nabadele washaya wathi ngicela bothola isikhathi uye ku Dr. Gama akucheck. Ngiye ku Dr. Gama one day. Nangifika it's a Friday. Wathi Dr. Gama wenzile ngithi mina nikwenza no.
Unangakho eminyaka lapho makhe?
21 somewhere there. Lapho ke 22. Athi ke Dr. Gama 21. Eyiwe, umfana kufanele ngabe lo mthwele abe wa beginning of January. But ngale ndlela ungafuni ukungitshela ngayo wena wenzile okune umsebenzi lo wendako lo hard utaba wa December. Oh. Angibuda usebenza ngithi gege. Bacabanga ukuthi nokuthi ngiyafundisa xa ngegege primary. Athi sile isikole ngithi Eric Rosenberg wathwala tandle enhloko wathi yo now yakugege I mean Eric Rosenberg. Uhlala kugege uhambe a stretch of roughly maybe close to 2 kilometers ufike kulomfula weqala kugcwele imithi yakahlophe lapho uthi ungawela leli bloho kuyenyukela that is where the spot la abona khona athi kuyangilimata vele bathi mina ngingabona noma sowufika isonto ufika esikoleni phinze unyukanyuka but sekuyabonakala. But at any rate ngimthola umfana nge-C-section. Nangimthola nge-C-section bangisupport abosisi bami shem, God bless their souls. Namake house checkwa and all those things. Bese sengihamba ke ngibuyela em-17 kuthi maternity leave. Usenaleli gama lekuthi wena awukashadi. Okay. Ahambe fike hlala esikolweni kuphilwe kube njani nje kube njalo. Ngicine ngithola i-transfer go to Mngozini. I wish I could have stayed at Gege. And then umfana nasakhula asakhona bese ngiyasuka futhi eMngozini. You have to get a preschool le good. Hayi ngibe la kaManzini eSt Paul's. Now for St Paul's I get hooked up to a friend, a very close friend of mine, Marion Yulish, Marina's mom. Askena hey we buy books la. Sine soy 2 start 10 hayi laba labangafuni. Sine diploma soy 2. So a pair is 19 rands from South Africa. Ngithi okay Marion sithi thenge nasithi thenga afuna ngimnika imali. Lenye inyanga ngiyita imali mina bhadale Marion. Kuholwa malini in Swaziland 400 and what at that time incane imali. Anyway bakhule bantwana ngibuyele e-university. Hayi ngangihambeli kahle. Ngihlala ngabo lapho. Inkinga mntasa emakhaya ngeke udingene. Wonke emakhaya nebugushugush. Ke nangibuyele e-university, my father was instrumental again. He was there. Sekuthi jabeni la kababa bengamjika umfana mina selibonze enough. Ngicabanga sengidawushiya lo mncane. But nje he was there, wasayina amafomu wendani, nje supportive. Hayi kuhambe kwahamba sengisemanzini Central. Ngangabobita athi ngibuyele em-17 for the sake of my kids. Athi nangibuyele em-17 ngathola indlu lenye i-cottage ngale ngakubo towards St. Michael's. It's close proximity to their school, primary school. Bakhona kuhamba nje kuwalk
Bafunda St. Michael's.
Then bebahamba nge-school bus ngoba besiqashe Coatesville. Ngibone abantwana naba bafunza because I'm reading books for them. Another close friend of mine, lomhlophe, athi, hey, lalela, the best gift you can buy for a child is a book. Hayi leti bhambi lotiphethe nabomdoli. Bathi ngimlalele. Hayi. Qala ka grade 3 Kabelo, uyashowisha ukuthi he is smart. Uyashowisha Kabelo top 3, top 3, top 3, top 3, top 3. Fika grade 7 athola imerit. Bese ngesangana ngamfaka kuya form 1 iSelusion kunabo Ryan kuyiHavoc eSelusion ngaba bathi I'm glad ngase sengithi hey angimix eSt Paul's where I used to teach ngamfaka nafika form 1 wathopha na thopha there was a mini speech day ngizenze bonani ngibitanga leni ngidokubona mni out ya wawathatha onke ma presents taleti fundo except Siswati. Akhala Mrs. Mpama lathi Kabelo akafuni ukufunda Siswati ukuphasa uthola abo 29 ngibaba bathi Kabelo asengizendani Siswati hayi Kabelo afika form 3 I married Jabule Siswami ushone last year nomfundo mabhala God bless her so athi ukhonile ngikuya enango esekelo ngize sengile mina nginti blanda wendeni ngihambe ngedvana ngisena ngifika bathi it's the last day of kwente ama interviews njengoba ngibona abantwana la ku reception ngithi ayi sithule lapho my daughter sewusesifunzani primary kuthi kunjalo ashaye maka athi ngijabula ukuthi lo munye uneta the best education lo munye ke nithi mina I'm working around that man ashaye futhi send a message sisinomfundo asisinomfundo cebile ngithi yebo sisi ukubhala interview eWaterford I think kwaba indlela nje ukuthi ngqonyo aye khona
ngathi manje ngicela ukuhleba lwimi yini le kwenta na usakhulisa abantwana bebafunza St Michael's yini le kwenta mhlambe lo mfana umkhiphe la St Michael's a public school wabona ukuthi mhlambe tikebe sikuphi
as a teacher uyakhona kubona ukuthi wow uyathi lapha sekuyabuya lokuthi abantu abamancane bafunza kuphi ke esifunzani primary base baye Waterford. Uma ungithishela I don't know maybe ngilokuthi IQ yethu ekhaya isiphali sinema palatables lapha ngabona ngathi ayi khona ngamfakale kangawo bazuka who is now Mrs Mbingo Sifunzani wathukuthela naka St Paul's before I Sifunzani high school wathi ubona ukuthi netha si capable ngathi no mina ngibona silomfana ngoba ngiyambona athi ungathi ufuna ukuthola i-challenge angimiyekele aye khona le enakuzaneni eWaterford vele nje wangikhulumisa but ngathi nasengivathi nebakho bamixe khona ngathi that's mayizuka uma ungithishela lobukhali ufuna ukubone lawo ma tidbits owabona it's okay let me channel wena nje you're doing good.
Thank you, Mark. Maybe mhlambe nje as a teacher because usebenzile in the public schooling system. Ukhanza silama gaps akuphi yini lomlingo angidayibeka kanjalo. Yini lomlingo lo wendeka kuma private schools noma ngiphi le motivation lekhona ku the private schooling system mhlambe lengekho la izikolweni zahulumeni kuma public schools.
Ngayikhala kakhulu kubatali. Kuthi education is a triangle. All teachers are here. Sonke silatu. Then the right corner ngumtali noma munye kunanzaba ngala umntwana. Do you read for your child? Do you correct the child? Umntwana angathi ushite babe uthide. Kusanza kwendeka ayikuthanza kwendeka. Parents bayekelela kakhulu. Uyathi makwamshemo wayidlala irole nakithi. Wayidlala asebentela lenye couple Mr and Mrs Zwati. That's Mrs Zwati. Nane, do they have do they have a library cards? Aske mage yinle. Mthatha umlungu amfaka emotweni, thatha emakhadi library, the library kamanzi. Ahambe baye St Michael's. Fike Sister Grace abhale amagama ngithi uyasathi. Nonhlanhla nomonde nomcebo nomaqhule nomfundo athobe istembu kubuye emakhadi 4 6. Siyothatha incwadi siyapholishela lesingisi because make naye bekangasiyo umuntu ofunze kangakanani but she had that ngifona abafunze bangabi njengami sihlala la akufunde baba yafunda wendani ngumntali wena wendani because wasilomunye ngicela ungendele nomonde bami ngathi okay live lami libi mina bambathi maka kathethe that's how she is Siswami yena nomcebo live lakhe live. Uthi wathi wena uyathetha kanti live lakhe linjani. So wena nawuletha bakho uthi mina ngikudadishisele. But awuthini uyathetha. Kanti bami. So kuyasida lokunaka. Like you say, kuthi nakuqala le program ya IGCSE, ngayikhanza mina na Higgs, shothi IGCSE, Higgs na AS. Ngikhanza mina ngayikhanza friendly to the teachers and to the students.
Okay.
Lokhu lokukhona nyalo as SI whatever it is IGCS kunebumadima. Khona bothishala abafile. Ngiyawubekisa njenge agriculture. Lo msebenzi semningi ngeke ubeke sengizongana sibhakabhaka. Whereby unhlahla nje ngiva buhlungu. Kuthi unhlahla ulwela ukuthi bantwana asosamsite ka agriculture athi lana le nangu yakho ufuna ibhale kanjena under agriculture. Usona unhlahla waquleka wafa. Because lo msebenzi semningi kakhulu kufuneka bo prep kufuneka in ama projects ebantwana kuyaba limata boshishela because lo msebenzi semningi kakhulu. So uqaleleni ukuthi akwenze ama projects utase wendana eColish. So EAS naelo Higgs, not all schools should have them. Akube ngiledo so that atosuka ngiyabekisa. Tawusuka Our Lady of Sorrows kuna AS. Utawya St. Francis is still offering Higgs. My daughter did that. Asesesifunza. Uthi make kude Higgs la sponsor. Ngicela ungi-enroll eNakzaneni ndawo ya Fridays. Aya eNakzaneni St. Francis. I think umthatha 3 to 4 months. Uthola imfana ka English. Umlalele naye ukuthi umake ngicela kube kanje. And then lenye into sibatali dijuti esilo msebenzi wenyuka kulabantwana. Udijuti kupheke wena washe but Saturdays abawendi umsebenzi. Wena uhambe nje ungathi wenda nedrophe. Mengihamba nje mina hey asengithatha iwalk ngami ngiyodla out. Hawu make ngiphathele bayasebenza Saturday 3:00 ngicedzile bamngaka. Books. Lamkhathini kupheka wena dijuti so that you give them sonke lesikhathi sokuthi bentene babhale ama homeworks and do their reading. Sekuthi wami umfana nje abengalele resta. Hey wena maka understand nasenda IB kona wena maka understand hey wena resta. But at any rate
Uyasuka ke St Paul's so Waterford.
So Waterford lapha ngithethisa khona ke Mrs Mbingo uthi umfana ngibamukelana ngathi hayi ngibona sangamnikedela manje nawo nafika uKhanza simo ku relax Waterford kabe ngivame hey make ngibuyisele emva ngathi hey wena because one of my sisters number 4 noMatholi at that time Waterford yayithi sniffing yamphakamisa St Michael's yamthatha waye Waterford. Shem wazwaya ngishe kwakungavami ngaleto khathi waya ngishe awufundzela khona so ngase ngithi ngiyambona ingqondo yakhe ngathi vele kanjena wahamba nafika Waterford wabona athi na kuyasetshenda
Wafika khona ka-adjuster kabele Waterford.
khona adjuster nami ngiyasekela ngayo yonke indlela and then kaSiswati kumla aseklasini la kaSiswati uyangicocela Mrs Dlamini. Mrs Dlamini ngebeka suka isikole eswazi bamropha into Waterford umfatwa the late former director RV Dlamini bakhanze Waterford usikena kabelo zwana yaphamisa eKabeni uthi wena mfana ufuna ukukhipha lo XA wabo 29% bale St Paul's utazi usiphase kwamshuka man ngathi Kabelo wena unenhlanhla because mina was raised by gogo so nangikhuluma Swati angeke ndiboshite ngikhuluma nje Swati lesingizwe shem wabuya na grade 7 at grade 7 ngama scores la setulu the high scores ka IB kwamsida ke lokho and then uma aqedza ke eWaterford 2007 bamcasha wahamba osebenza as an assistant eWaterford kwaba nguyena abanele Nkambule ngisakhumbula ngathi na Cheshala Kapupu anyway basebenza nasatawo hamba Kabelo uyacheka sisi wakhe timbahla takho uyacheka nakacheka uthi ma ngicela uyomthengela tinsipho kude tinsipho at least 2 bars that days
Uhamba uyaphi manje so uyamshiya umbukela uyasikoleni ngoku
MIT that is Massachusetts Institute of Technology ile ngenhla kweNew York ise Boston.
Okay. Kusuka kubani lokusufuna ke states nguye noma
they apply. Yeah, that's another thing. They apply. Well, apply about 9 colleges. 9 colleges. Boskidmore. La khona Ntokozo St Francis. I mean to say St Francisco. Stanford. Apply kubo Yale, Skidmore, the one in Colby in Maine. Bacishe bamthatha kuko konke.
Okay.
Nase-Colorado, applyela kuyofundela.
What course exactly, ma?
Kabelo, he was a funny character ngoba uthi nawumbuta naka grade 7 uthi udaba yini athi ngiyakutshela. Ufika form 3 udaba yini mfana wami ufise kuba yini ngidaba into animation. Hawu yini lokho humusha. Yabona labo Popeye indaba wendaba Popeye. 1 2 3 soka form 4 hayi indaba into engineering. Ungasho ingani wathi udaba into animation ngani ngaye. Uthi kunjalo nasa apply. Athi ngimake ngida eColorado. Ngithi uyaya eColorado ethi ku. Googleisha phela ngiyacheck. Singachecka ngibuke lapha emapini. Oh, it's right in the center of the US. Hatha nabo banele babona ngibanele nkambule bathi baya khona. Nabo sakhile bo kapupu nang this girl lo Rashid. Ngithi kunani? Athi khona lo mnyendo batana besifunza naye wase USA. Kunendlu abatasiboleka yona sihlale nakuvaliwe. Sende lawo ma jobs to sustain our kuhlala kwethu kusevaliwe. Ngithi mina that's nice, go to Colorado. So ingqondweni yami ngizayo uta eColorado. Shintshe Kabelo from nowhere. Angathi mina ngabo Harvard. Na shintsha from nowhere Kabelo. Ngithi mina Kabelo kwentekani? Oh, understand ungani ubinza, okay? Mina wangitshela into ngiyalalela. Kabelo so uthi naka-check wabona i-MIT. Wathi ndaba singakangakhe Eswatini, I think he's number 2. Ungakuna Dr. Ncimalo. Wabakhona khona. I usually meet them. Bese ke sekuba nguyeke Kabelo. Apply. Na apply ku delay mina ngibaba thi wena. Kwentekani? Thola mina understand. Sihambe siwenda bo international passport what qedwe nje konke. Hayi bamthathe one day bahlaya base MIT. Ngikhotshiwe kulo sigedlembani. Sicela bo pressa la nakushaya laba. Khohle mina ngibabathe ngiyapressa so that kungenele kuKabelo. Ngavele ngathaya ngathi please call him at Waterford. He is the number of Kamhlaba. Bamshaye la. Uthethwe Kabelo sekufuna kwendiweni. Hayi wakwendeka ke konke kwasina kwendekako. Ngithi ke mina
Lama visa ke make is that sponsored?
No, you pay.
Uyakhumbula sebekungimalini at the time?
At that time was 800 and something.
Okay.
800 and something.
Okay.
So akunankinga. Kuthi nje nasekutawusenzela kuhamba kusimbiwe naKabelo. Mina phela indize yakho isuka nini sive tonke leto into leto. Vele sekukabi athi ke Kabelo ngikhulume nalo omunye Belinda wakashom. Shom something. She's Yingejala belungu base South Africa.
She's Africana.
Yes, she's Africana wadadishela khona. Ngithi mina uhlala asuhlala Polshof. Okay? Sini South Africa. Sengiye Josim. Gcina la kubonela spread. Kuthi ufuna njani le kuye? Sathi uyatha sathi mbaba. Kuthi kunjalo. Nakusonzela lamalanga sekusele liviki nemalanga nyanga. Siswakhathi cross check leti mbadla takhe. Bese sothi ema amthenge leti insipho. Ngihambe ngokhe ngetinyawo suke Central phela. Ngifike kule Shoprite lela ngase Rankini. Ngithenge 2 bars of Amalux. Ngithi ngiyaphuma nje ngila threshold of the door. Ngivele ikhweshela le. Akadlali ngulungu. Kuwo wonke umvu yakhuluma. Ngithi mina asikhweshela le ngikhweshe because sengiblock abantu baphuma ba ngikhweshe vele. Ngiveje livile elikhulu lithi buy him a Bible too. Buy him a Bible too. Sengive imali. Khoya lo nginike 5,000 bese kushoda nale ka visa ngamnika. Ngalenyela yakubhenethe kavala le-office. Wathi hawu kodwa njani kuze kuvalwe le office. Ithe imphathi lana sekudingeka imali iyashoda kucalelwe phasi. My sister nomcebo kwangisita kule nto dabo visa ngathi kuthiwa kucalelwe phasi. Ngiyabona ngiloko ngabi kwakhe certain ukuthi uya
Uyakuphi
ngakuthi kwase kuvuma lo kwase Colorado sekuthiwa calela phasi ngoba sekuse Boston eCambridge. Anginike Bennett 500 rand. Nangina 5,000. Ngithi mina ngisend message Kabelo kunana 500 Bennett unginikile. So ithola njani le mali? Kusende phela bomomo lokusenda yabona.
So ukuphi lapho Kabelo?
Uyasebenza eWaterford.
Okay.
Athi ke lo kanjani Kabelo hayi man. Gibela sitawudibana eKFC eMbabane. Ngigibela, ngifike ngomnike. Ngithe ngigibela kabe ngiye kuyona lena. The kind of a life you live when you're a teacher. Buka sesiqalephi bo 400 and something. Ngimnike bese ke suyadentela-ke. Akwendeka kuphele konke, but nje he was kind of late. Unako lokuba nelivalo njengama ifudo ke lonto kanjalo. Cha ente ke kuphumelele-ke nase yatawuhamba before le live lelithi buy him a Bible. Lingishaya ngize ngiyofaka inyawo eCentral. Ngibatshele-ke e-library bo Aunty Ntombi Nxumalo, may her soul rest in peace, bonto bothula inkosi bolindiwe Sibanze Mrs Dlamini. Ngithi bonini sekunento lenje. Angathi sindaweni kanjani. Umfana ukuthi utawuya ePolshof ahlale kalom Africana, you know, and all that, but she'll take care of everything. Ngiyitenyala imali. Ngithi mina ngente njani ndamfaka ekhumbini leJozi. Miss Nkosi, subheda wena. So thatha umntana umbulalo kule gebengu zakithi. Ngithi hayibo Miss Nkosi, usho ukuthini? Hey, Kabelo uyamazi nje ngilomuntu honest. Uyawuhulisa ama-suitcase bathi buya ngalapha stock seat abambulala. Into enjani? Bathi sikhulume noRen, Mr Dlamini. Oh, nikhulume noRen? Cha, ngiyeke Mr Dlamini. Bathi hayi, ngihamba sisi ngiya eJozi, ngicupha equipment music. Lo kunabo piano nako konke ama-guitars. Unamalini? Ngithe eDlamini ngisaba ngisho kisho. Bathi kuwe ngifuna 2000. Fike ngimnike. Bahleli lapha ngase-office lemphathi ngimnike 1.6. Badot. Sengihle emtimbeni njani.
One lo 2000 lamcela kumlangeni.
Ngihamba ngimi ngicabuzisa siyamphetha nema-suitcase namayidota. Siyamphethe.
Okay.
Athi ke ngeren hayi ngitawe emukela lo 1.6. So uphundleke uthi sewehlile ngathi ndakubukelwa ngubani. Akube ngconyo. So Kabele has to leave mhla ka 10 August of that year. Utogibela the following Thursday. Ngikwathi uhlala kaBelinda.
Oh, okay.
No. Vele Mr Dlamini ngoba bekahlala eSigwashini. Sithatha shem ngeMercedes yakhe baphume. Khona le baseJozi ba Miss Nkosi. Valeliswe awusihambe bomanana. Ngiyophinda ngubona ubanana. I have a photograph of him. Kabelo ahlamshoot. Sadonsa sahamba. Oh, before sahambe. Ngicontact anti wakhe lo munye. Ngithi Anthani.
Ukuphi Andithanda?
Anthanda is working for water.
Okay.
Lazulu. Anti wakhe anti umfana kanje ngitshela nje during the course of the week so utawuhamba.
Baba wakhe lapho akekho picture.
Ngakutshela. Athi Anthanda no problem. Le mali ungayithola njani? Awutasiphi imali yatwa sit. Wasinika 300 wasuthi send a child to ka Khechokwahle. Khechokwahle Mabuzo ngathi usebenza ka water. Bafuna mika 300 wanika my daughter then Thando waniketa ibhadala lo kanjani. Uthi sakhona kuthenga sawudlani na Mr Dlamini landleleni. Babonke doesn't feature. Ngathi lifuto lolubi Nkosi yami vele wabesho gogo amathi lwembili. Bangananzaba nje, bangangenelani. But when the child was born, zange sengibona umuntu bekajabule kanjena emhlabeni. Kuthi kwendekani? Wayekelela up until one day kusengekho iKFC la renkini. Ngibona umgogo kaBelo all the way from Hlangana. Uma. Ufuna wena la Trophen. Wathi awumangala umntana nami ngifuna wena. Kuthi njani? Thatha ummeli ubopha usifiso. Thatha ummeli uyongikhumbula. Ngicela salad. Hayi ngabona sithi vele uqinisile baba. Make ngamthatha ummeli kwasida. Wayibhadala waze Kabelo kwaba ngu-2010 asangcwatshiwe nga-April. Wasale vala ngathi lokuba ngiSwaziland. At any rate, wathi nakabona umfana aka-IB wabona ukuthi this is serious. Waqhamukana a nasty 3,000. Swazi man. Amane ngihlale kwasho baba wami. At any rate, bebenhlanza abantu bababo. Mane phela to be of help. Just like Debbie's father, be of help. That one Nkosi yami ngeke ngive buhlungu ukuthi may his soul rest in peace. Very responsible man. Wafana 37. Angafukwa.
Nabencane.
Whatever, anyway. uhambe ke Kabelo ukuthi simfike simshiye uhambe ke Dlamini uyadadida indzawo hambe Dlamini bese uyashaya nasendleleni shayela umzala wakhe so unesikhathi vele eJozi hey mzala lana ngikupa what akhulume isisuthu athi woda la ke workshop yami siye workshop athi indawo engabo Holland bo clientele what hey sahamba hey Dlamini uyayada indzawo sahamba vele njengoba asilayele ukuthi street bani sahamba sathi sithi sifike ePolshof nako number 37 bese basigathi sifika nje la kubo afternoon 3:30 bo 4ish hawu asemukele eBelinda kube kahle sijabule bese kuthi kuBelinda mina labanye abantu laba eMIT athi yathi eMIT yona maka uthi yini athi top 3 top 5 emhlabeni wonke anyway umfana wakho siyambongela sisi nifunze khona la so ngilomtshela ukuthi akade anake incwadi and all those things amukele Jesu sakhumbula indzaba yeBhayibheli simshiye bese kanti ngisho mina ngithi athi Belinda usinike inkinga wena ngibe ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe manje nje silale la esitting room etipontshini wena ufuna ukukhuluma nathi uthi wena ukhuluma naKabelo uyi-Aldrat kuphi lo muntu lo ubuya tuthi ngibuya naye at any rate simshiye Mr Dlamini kurentwe nje cheap hotel silale khona shem sivuke ekseni athengeke lama music equipment akhe bese ke sesiyajika ke sibuyele eSwatini ahlashaya Kabelo asivusela ninjani hayi sikhona the Thursday yatawahamba ke yasuka nga7 wahamba atawuya aphumele afikele eFrance then from France wasuya connecta ke to USA
khona yini ilivalo ukuthi awunkosi yami umntwana amkhashane kangaka
alukho Abona ke khaya ke sonke the girls sinesibinzi uDelva nakancane nje nginikeda nkulunkulu kude sisi kude umfanami afike e-USA thanks to Reverend Stephen Karen something like that wafika wahlala kabo Shem bamemukela ngiyabonga Shem na ngicabanga sinabangeva bathi sasikhumbule bamemukela then kwasekucala bo orientation Kabelo wangasa respond but uthi nakahamba kwathi maka ngamhla ngihamba Thursday wena Saturday ngicela uhamba uye-airport la kuMathapa by then
okay
uyovalelisa bo Siphelele Mhlanga na Sakhile Dlamini ngihambe nangihambako akuhambeki ke lapha but ngikhona ngifike ajabule makwaSakhile athi makwamfana ngifike ngijabule simbone boSakhile sebanangizivalelise vele bese ngigibela le moto yakhe boSakhile evenini ngihambe ke bangibeke ke sengiyahamba that Saturday ngehla emtimbeni uyabona lethu velva alukho but ngehla emtimbeni ukuthi how for all his life we've been together sekunale reality ukuthi ngiyaloka kasekho ngehla emtimbeni vele ngaba hospitalized nganeseka ngapick up ngavuka esuke siswami number 4 who was working at the Reserve Bank asho athi ashayele bangani bakhe bekafundza nabo eCanada atheni base Boston ngicela ningifunele umfana lo Kabelo zwane from Swaziland ashayele makwakhe maye wakubeka kwaba civil siswami number 4 abamshayele bese bathi Kabelo shayela makwakho isolo akakholwa lokuthiwa efika usafe
khulule akashona akafiki
Kabelo uyengena yini yakho ngibona yena lela nawe kwente ngani lapho ashaye ke ushaya
sohamba isikhathi lesingakanani ma
uhamba inyanga ushaya ngaSeptember uhambe August ashaye ke Kabelo athi nosini ngibhizi ngithi mina ngibese sengiyagula phela mina ngalokho wena ngithi awusashaya kanti sengiyamva baba Sakhile nasile eMathapa airport athi nibafana nibashaya manifika le Colorado University nganena seningasashaya lana sase siyagula thina shosa nifika kube ngconyo ke nasashayile saved the number kube
communicate how often la
Shem once a week or fortnightly but nje siya communicate ngikumbula one time nje siswakhe athi let him understand nani medicine athi anything ask me Family working nako konke washem kwayipass imaths B+. Ngathi dilwa netab. I was very happy, very supportive. Then Kabelo lokusebenza, let's say lona wenta i-masters ngoba yena usenta i-BSc in motor vehicle modeling. Lona nanakenda le masters, whatever la kwenda ama-bakers uyashiya kawash Kabelo uyawasha, uyasulasula. Imali kula mave la recognize ukuthi lona ngumuntu. Kangawa imali leyo abeyisenda, I guess akuyena nakunawo. Basendele ukuthi make ngicela nibhadalele sisiwami esikolweni 5.9 esifundzani ngeterm. Wayibhadala Kabelo kwathi ngaSeptember wayiceda yonke. I think wakhipha abo 12 to 15,000.
So bekafunza phinza sebenza.
Asebenza lokuthi nje uklinela lo PhD student or masters what. Which was lovely.
Uthi nanikhuluma, how is life in the US?
Uyadjust. Mina ngabona my daughter nawumbuta uthi kunjani sisethi uthi nice lawns. We had beautiful skyscrapers. Kabelo takutshela ngabo amazing. Kabelo yini amazing ngambona ke mina amazing sengifikele. Just tell me ukuthi amazing. They would give you a picture. Wow, ma, beautiful. Wow. Nice links. Oh, hey, Kabelo takutshela ngabo amazing. So ngalenye ilanga utamvathakasileke. Tell mom that me and my friends are canoeing, but I've got blisters. Ngithi wow. Ngula canoeisha khona uthi Charles River ngifike ngayibona iCharles River. It's separating Boston University and MIT. So MIT kanye neHarvard tendenje. It's like a city. Ku-National Gate. City. City. Kwathi bona so nyalo ke mina ngiya ku-East. Wathi class ngiya eWest. Gibela na shuttle, you know.
They're like amazing.
Nginikele picture. Mina ngingiswaziland mom. At any rate, kucheka kuthi ke nasakutawuvalwa ngalethi khathi lethi.
Unyaka wakhe wekuqala lo.
Uqala freshman. Kuthiwe hey nginele nibuya ma freshman aniye ekhaya. Ngisonza kubuya ekhaya. But don't worry. As an institution, as a MIT, we will take you out near Atlanta. We are going to meet sort of like African students. Ndawubona lebe basembili kunande benibalandzele, you know, all those things.
Yes.
Kabelo bakhishwa ma coach. Atlanta is below New York baya. Wafika waba saved Kabelo nalo ke iBhayibheli. Ngiyengijabule kuba nale sense of contentment ukuthi wow, at least ngaba nayo ipicture ukuthi uyahamba lo mfulona so uhambele wonke ngisambona a good 80,000 miles kuya le eBoston. But wafika waba saved senga iBhayibheli lakhe, I don't know, ashumayela abantu labalikhuni kuthiwa ama-Jews bathi bebalukhuni. But listen to me, sengiyambona uyabapestarish. I know him. He was just when wabona imphungane ubabathi, he was just like that. Ngifika ngibona ibillboard ingaka. Nango Kabelo uvete ematini. Hawu, ematini la amahle kangaka. Ya, uyashutha. Ufuna kubukwa yena. Hawu, Kabelo nala billboard. Ngasimne wow.
Man, mawufika kuphi ufika nini?
Ufika e-USA. Okay, sawufika lapho.
Okay,
At any rate,
bahambe baye Atlanta kwenale exchange program.
Kuba kahle.
Kuphela umnyaka wekuqala lapho.
Umnyaka wekuqala buye so usinzisiwe what not what, but njena uyasithinza. Uthi nasatawushona le khasa satawuthumela the last money ya September. Angiboni mina tutawushona Kabelo.
Uyatikhumbula tinkulumo tenu kulamaviki nje leading up to his death?
Hey, the child was angandothi ngakubeka ukuthini ukuthi ngeke akukhombise umfila agcina akukhuluma naye ngisisi wakhe wazwa singicela enangu what's this thing opposite lapho eposini uthi ungena ngikubone ku Skype nangoku umfila agcina akhuluma mina nje bakhuluma washo ke sisi wakhe wathi hayi ngambona abengasi right.
Uthi sisi wakhe bakhuluma ngani nje naba Skype kule conversation yabo ekugcina?
Abembuta nje advice slip yamake athi advice slip yamake utenayo eyaketa nayo funza athi makubhadalana asho Babona bo Dupes, bonke le nto ke bo SRIC, uyamreportela athi okay nalo. Gani, Kabelo so yathi to target it so na Dupes so maintain utawungcwatshwa. Oh, kuthi kunjalo Kabelo ashona. Nakashona ko mina ngibona ngani ushonile Kabelo. Otebe kuthi uka finally kwa AS. That Friday mina kufuna ngiya interview eSwazikhen. Fike live lithi live ungasayi interview inga2 athi ungayi afast 2 somewhere.
I-interview yani make kaSwazikhen?
Ngifuna umsebenzi ngifuna kushiya teaching.
Ufuna kushiya ka-teaching? Okay.
Ngilalele live ithi ungasayi kuthi Nthambama kuqhamuka umfana emfundisi kuMetse Masabatha la ngaseNazarene. Uthi make sesilenze ebhani siyahamba Tebe ngibhani ngibanqoba njalo. So sifunzani bathi ke bhani. Sesilenze ebhani siye ephathini le labahlala khona eSabatha. Bahambe nabahamba ke athi nakahamba ke uthi hayi Tebe ungahambi awungikhiphele awungifakele iCD lethi ngoma taKabelo bese ungipha isithombe sakhe anginike nasi le nginikhombisa esipatshini ngasithanza leso wathi shoot. Nanganginika ngisibuka ngilalela music angilali mina kusofa kodwa ngalala lelo la. Nangilele Tebe uhambe nesikhiya. Nangilele ngivede bangena. Nangenako angilalanga ke ngalelo la. Sekusa on the 7th of November when he was found dead. Ngalala nga3 ekuseni.
Kwenda njani uya?
Good. Akulaleki nje ngihleli.
Ukhona nje kulala
So I'm
nje.
watching whatever I can watch ku TV. But ngicine ngilele after lo 3 o'clock ngivuke but ngidown.
Uvumo
I'm
uyiphansi.
down. 8 down. Esuke Tebe athi hayi manje make yathi Kabela ngisamthola. Nami ngidrobheni ngihlangane naSifiso Nxumalo bebafunza naye eSt Paul's. Athi make yathi Kabela ngimthola ngithi nami ukuthenya. Mhla ka8 November Kabelo ushona mhla ka7. Ushona enzaweni le as far as iMIT neHarvard ila kwaManzini. Kabelo ushonela as far as Luve la atfolakala khona. Azame ke Tebe khona umfombatana kaKapupu Chishala amthinzi. Athi Chishala I'll get back to you. Chishala send a message kubo bonke kuthi hey Kabela simthole. Bazame kumfuna bangamtholi.
Sekuphela isikhathi lesingakanani lapho nasekucala le
Ushone mhla
SOS?
ka7 Kabelo Chishala simthinza mhla ka8.
Okay.
Kuthi mhla ka9 ushaye Vusi Masuku, may his soul rest in peace. Athi Vusi Masuku, Mr. Bennett, how are you? Athi Mr. Bennett, hey ngiyaphila Mr. Masuku ngize ngishayelwe nguwe. Athi bengikuvusela nje.
Mr. Bennett kodwa ngibani for the benefit of umbukeli?
That's umphathi wami, my last boss, principal at Manzini Central. Athi ke Mr. Masuku, uyahlana ngikushayela ngifuna kuvathi bangakubothishala abantwana abroad lapho. Athi kuna Mrs. Khumalo wakhe umfana useRussia. Sekuna Miss Mabuzu USA. Bese uyasho ke Mr. Masuku uthi hey unfortunately lo wase USA umfana ushonile. Bennett waqela kuhamba vele wayalila ahlala khona ekhaya kube plaza. Wahamba akhola. Base bayatshelwa abothishela mina ngiviwa vele ngingatshelwa kwathi Nthambama mhla ka9.
Ukhona kodwa la esikolweni.
Ngikhona angitshelwa but nginako lokuba restless
Uyatoba-toba.
nokuba uneasy ngingahlaliseki hayi ukuthi ngiyagula ngingahlaliseki nje but I was reading books ngalawo mali. Ukuthi Nthambama ngithi Tebe ngiphekene leli gusha and the porridge you can dish up. I Tebe dish up but she was busy solo azama kufuna. Ekamereni uveni ngiphume mina ngithi ngiyaphuma ngiya ngalemva behind the garden kule ndlu la sihlala khona. Ngithi ngiyabuya ngibona imoto ya Mrs. Gininza deputy ipakeleka Miss Nkosi. Ngana kanti Mrs. Simelane makwaBompendulo buza kithi akalungi kahle nesifo senhlitiyo. Bese ngibona abothishela bangena. Ngihlola ngithule ngihlola. Mr. Mthethwa umile upakela kabi. Sithi noNdumiso gatsa la angedi. Ku the second house mine is the first house. Bathe Mr. Mthethwa uthi ngingahambi hlalela emotweni. Ngibona abothishela bangena. kusingeli kade phambi one of the girls ba Mrs Simelane zakithi. Athi ke zakithi Tebe sifuna inombolo yamake Nomcebo sisendele empendulo imali usevala. Manje imali uthi akakayitholi. Amnike ke Innocent athi naye kanti bafuna kuva athi Nomcebo nikuphi inyanga. Sine sesilaka Mrs Simelane and Nomonde is suspicious. Uhlahlola phinza hlala uhlahlola. Nje ngiphe kuba kanjani. Ekhaya kwenteka Mage is pacing up and down. She has done the cooking, but she's restless. Uyasukuma just like me. Esuke masuka shayele Nomcebo because when these children fill up the forms, Kabelo wafaka mina na the sister. Babona belungu said that's not going to be enough. Akube ne neutral third person. Wamfaka. Amshayele ke masuku. Athi ke nakamshayela ayi siswami yadadi Timbo Nomcebo. Athi ke nakamshayela athi ke hawu Mr Masuku ngishayelwe wena ushayelani ngesihla. Bathi Mr Masuku hayi.
Mr. Masuku kuphi semaphoyiseni?
Ngilo semaphoyiseni. Mvusi Masuku. Lo washona nini. Kanti sokwashayela Bennett. Athi ke hayi man ngina lana ngifuna wena ukubona man khona impela ngifuna ungiside kuwe. Nomcebo sekulusi emalunga manje. Athi una imoto athi Nomcebo nginayo. But asinake vala amalunga athi hayi ngilanze. Bamlanzeke. Abefika basho ke Nomcebo kwenteke naye mbona. Athi ngiva man Masuku wena awumani liphoyisa likushayele nje. Ngiyadi. Hawu akade ke lo shonela. 2 Basenzene ekhaya. Babathinzeke. Manje thi siswami Nomfundo lo shone last year. Usheshe uyefika. Akhanze namake pacing up and down. Hawu make kunjani? Ushaye ke Nomcebo. Fika nisisi lamaphoyiseni nite namake. Baye ke headquarters. Abantu babatshele. Make. Anyway. Befike nabefika bapaka imoto la ngase sitting room. Akuvakalanga tivalo tishaywa. Wabaleka nje kahle. Bamba bayelena. Usuka Nomcebo weda wafika wathi ninjani sisi ngathi ngikhona.
Usubse bafike kakho.
Sekude yena yedva. Boma ke sebala motweni sebasukile ka Mrs Simelane. Sekunethi imoto letinye ngale. Uyabona teachers quarters letinye tabothishela. Labanye sebaseNazarene. Bathi hayi akareportele washo basuku unconyo areportele la sibhedlela. Should anything happen admitwe banalo mvana ke lasele naye. Athi ke Nomcebo hey lana siyafuneka sisi. Umfana mamncane lo mangisi usenkingeni. Committee suicide. Uthi ndiphona sihamba ngana sambeni. Sihambe athi shintsha. Nishintshe. Usale ngale top yokulala yewindi. Manje skate sihamba. Ngibone boma ke kuthulile. Angisuspect anything. Angisengitshele umfana mamncane lesiyela yena. Usenkingeni so uyafa. Siyahamba. Athi ke siswami lo shayela koNomfundo. Manje umbani lo wate emergency mnikazi ngagcina la. Ngithi ngena kaso. Ngichamuka kaso. Efike ngithi park. Athi napaka ngehle ngihambe mina phambili. Ngathi nangichamuka the teachers were there. The support I was getting from teachers. Bathi nje sivele sekusho bomisi singabuni boncane sivele khona lapha phambili. Asifike dithi. Nasifike Masuku umile na I think ngisandile Dlamini ngigcine what's this place? Mafuthe. Bemile bende nje. Athi Masuku hawu mayivele ufana neyisi but nje bemile bamangele sector uthiwa. Ngithi ngiyangena la emergency. Bathi hayi ungangena. Ngithi okay. Ngibona i-office igcwele titulo tibekwe nje. Kahle titulo. Sime kuthi nje emva kwesikhathi bathi athi ke siswami Nomcebo. Ngena sesingicela uhlale la wena. Ngithi hawu abantu abadala bathi awuhlala lapha ngingahlala mina bengini. Bathi hayi hlala sisi. Bangena bothisha la bengingababoni phela bebabhaqile. You know the hospital mase kungizambama it's a little bit quieter. Angisho ke Mr Masuku silapha Mvusi. Miss Mabuza stokubikela athi umbana akho lo seAmerica ushonile. Ngathi ngifuna ke America nyalo mina. Akungazi usilendiza kutawuthiwa kufike. My daughter wahamba on top of them. Nje leyo insanity bese ikuye shem. It was bad. Anyway, sihamba. Ujikwe ke bangishiye. nabangishiya nembanami namake baqala bothishela bashaya
Sike make nabakutshela ngekushona kwaKabelo. Bathini bathi kwendekela.
kude labakusho
Bathi nje ushonile.
Time kufika bo-Rachel, other teachers, babacela wathi deputy Mrs. Giddings, ngicela ngalivalile ligede. Wathi-ke manani okay ngidalithi nje nangibabona bathatha ichaza abavulele. Kanti prior to that, sesingasamtholi. Ngiyemjingo, umngane wami, uMcebo Dlamini. Ngifike nomcebo. Since your sister is based in New York, ubekwe nguhulumende whatever, the husband yini wakaBanhleko. Ngicela umthinze sini singicela abude eMIT ungakuKabelo sibeba sesiyamfuna simfole. Ungamvacebe uthi ngehle ngiyeka Nqobile uhlala eCoastville. Nqobile kunani ndona umbanami kunje Nqobile akhali. Mina umuntu sitangeni kanjani uthi angade Nqobile ngisange. Angithathe Nqobile usama ubeka lapha egarage eGalpa. Ngihambe ngendlela. Lokuthi yabona we tried but kude lusitho lesalithola but anyway bese sitawuncanza. Kale ke vele kwento ema processes bete bothishela support labanye bashaye ingcondo ihambile bahle bangikhumbula ngisaxola ngisambona. But ke kuhambe bese bathi ke maka akuyiwe ekhaya ekupheleni embolo nje. Basuggest bothishela bathi hayi maka sicela sebake bahlala ngoba la ku-neutral kuyi-center. Kuthi abantsundu ukuthi bayele bayomlilela. Futhi labo yabeva bathi kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi kulungiselele umtimba ma-remains ajika buyele emuva. Kuthatha isikhathi. Vele kwasithatha isikhathi because Kabelo nje na finally kusuka kwakhe afe mhla ka-7 wasuka mhla ka-21 November ufika mhla ka-22.
Nikuphi-ke make nihlede
eCentral.
Yes, Central. Nimele ukuthi repatriate umtimba abuye ekhaya. Okay. Anihambanga nini kuyale. Okay.
Kwenziwa nje le process le whatever work wakhona. Nasibari wami usebenze eYan Smart OR then. So naye involved yasebenza nomcebo nozindve ukuthi yebo thiwa eWaybill mina ngikwati but kwenteka konke lokho. Finally edeke naketako. Oh my brother. Zakhele cause we are born from Sinena bo Zakhele nabo Botmus from identical twins. So my dad was an identical twin. Zakhele uthola message ushayelwa ngitebe divorce thola sibinzi naye. Ngepso sibuye esibhedlela ngabo lokuyothola lokuthi Kabelo ushonile. Ushaye idebe sesilandlini. Malume Ntebe kwenze Shone Kabelo athi vuka there and there yabona sikoni wamangala kwentekeni mina ngishayela sisilomunye nje wakaBabe lomkhulu ngesibuza besihlala nabe PTS ngithi mina since kukuvusa kuyevathi nginomonde athi ngiyeva ngicela utshela bhuti lapha athi kwenteke nako Kabelo soshonile kanti uke waya Kabelo before ashona aye ke bhuti ke sisibona anafika sisibonge akhanze kukhanya anoke hey ninjani Lana ngithola umbiko wathi ke sikoni sesivile bahlala kwavuka sonke staff sase-SNN's shem bamangele. At any rate my brother was instrumental day one wetana emoto ngiko sibheka lena jikani belungene namhlanje vukile shonani lena kufuneka ijikani impilo edobs sekufuneka there's a certain guy Mr. Ajusi so akhe kahlathi very instrumental basita funeka lo nasibuya nje kwecala edobs wathi ke laba sebenza khona nange amabhokisi ningakhetha asike bhuti wami sisengabi sure ukuthi sithi siyakhetha but anyway sawubuye ngoba wavela wabuka lena le advice slip kuthi okay ngene kaDobs hayi afike eKabelo mhla ka-21 nabathi ba ekseni on the 22nd November
Sofika kuke masofika la.
sofika eJozi.
Okay, man ke make asesihambe wamlanza noma
Bamletha kumletha kwabi MIT angiyuze ngikhohle. I really am grateful because nakafaka uKabelo ayihiye wathola ngilomunye lisebenzela konje ahamba ngemoto uthi nakashayela well nababhalile bathi wooded it wasn't that wooded silahla silale esinye silapha ku spacious tshani So nakamthola uthi ke lona wathi nje uyashayela weva live lathi ngena kaSo uthi wangena park the car khiya phuma bese uyakhiya hamba kanje wamkhanza kafika nakahlola ukhanza lo licingo lasandleni then uthi uvula le jacket ukhanza le brown t-shirt ibhalwe MIT wathatha lo licingo waya MIT. What, who's the owner of this? That's Kabelo's. Oh, what's kumkhanza? Oh, ayimaphoyiseni eBedford Town. Le dolobha lengibekise njengeLouvre. Nafika baya esitolo la alithenge khona. Bakhona identified is a student from Swaziland, Nkabelo Zwane, funze MIT. Bamthatha ke bamfaka ka-Albert funeral parlor whatever nguyelo wenda konke.
Bayenza any autopsy to determine the cause of death?
I guess bayenda but lokho angivisa buhlungu nanyalo ngeke ngisho I'm still saying it. Ngeke ngithi Albert walelani nangithi mina ngikhombisa ungisendele through my email tonke leti thombe sendimshutha ala ku deathbed yabona umuntu obona so ngoba the thing lengayibona sebamvula ekhaya ngabona lesandla saka right sishe konke la stofika la ngathi oh but Kabelo was left-handed sebangibuta lena sengile ngithi mina Kabelo was left-handed but nini ushile la ngawusala nginalawo ma questions washiswa yini at any rate
Reports, like, am I reports lapho magmedia at the time?
but he committed suicide.
Bathi suicide. What do you think? When ucabanga sikwendekani manje?
Whatever the
Do you
outcome
believe the suicide story?
ngabe sengiyavuma ngathi whatever the outcome it's okay at any rate
Abuye mfana.
sobuyile hayi kwendiwe ke
Nimhlanga beta kuphe Jozi.
laba eAmerica abethi le university ifuna afikele kumathapha kwakhanza ukuthi eLink ite leli kuthatha the box lena le casket so we were surprised because we didn't know ukuthi I casket but wamhlanga beta Sibari wenda yonke le paperwork because usebenza khona wakampanza Sibari vele wenda konke wacetha nabashaya siswama athi hawu sesilapha sesizofika athi mina ngicedile ngimele nini wow Sibari bamthatha beta nabeta bathi nabase Caroline sesile ekhaya ke nyala ngwana phela sivele soyena nabamthatha beta naye baka Dupes bawushem bakazwane bangibambisa shama ngifuna ibona baqhamuka nabanye ngingazange sengibabona hawu mina bashayile sisindi yabesebenza eNetbank so pension bathi ke bona umcebo yesisi sesila Caroline athi Sindi etena makwakhe haya sambeni sabe sihamba sasivuka na tebe daily sivuka sipheka pheka full meal
Iphekela laba labahleli.
exactly vuka ngipheka sihambe nasisindi afike Oshu James Khanze government has offered 2 cars private cars which was an effort asifika Khanze labanye bothishela wow womise simpamali lo weSwati sombona nomona athi ke Sandile indawo gibela la sigibele shem na before sigibele bede ke siyibone ke bese ngiyaya ke mina ngiyoboleka ngiyobingelela lo nangombingelele abuke nje liphepha ngayihlengi njani titi uthi njani athi yep awusubuka into nje uthi if only you know ngisho ngishiti I'm the mother lo thi yebo kuyi I'm the mother vuma nje ungazi usuvuma sigibele imoto ehle nasesimalagwane bashaya bothishela sande kuphe emabuyana sesiyehla sila kumalagwane baqhamuke bothishela eDupes
Sola ukambone wena mfana la.
angeke phela simbone sizwe sengavuka sifike eDupes asifike eDupes labanye bangaphandle nje bemeje all corners of Dupes labanye ke balena ke bese ke sekuthiwa imndeni ayithi ngene bothishela teachers bangene shem nabangenako shem nomcebo uphathe leti impahla takhe bethi igcokile bekugcina bese sothi ke lo bhuti osebenza eDupes ngiyafuna ukumbona sithi yebo hamba susele icarton amngi casket amvule imilingwenye with his sharp nose Seyigobele phela ihe ngiphathele enye emblem bebayenda ye-beadwork yebuhlalo bhalethi UWC ngifike ngiyifake la umfazi at least sesimbonile bambuyisele ke eNaksaneni emakhateni kwaba kanjalo kwaze kwaba ngilo mhla ka-28 so 27 was the memorial at St. Michael's Chapel. The brothers in Swaziland were there. Laba lengikukhombise bona kuyi-prom yase St. Paul's. Oh, they were there. But bebasaba nekukhuluma, I think beva buhlungu kakhulu. They were there. It was nice. Wenza. Saya emngcwabeni yehli Waterford cause simngcwabe eSdwashini.
Okay.
Nasuya eWaterford. Behla nje bathi boom. Behla, befika. Kwenza. Sekuthi lobuhlungu. Ngiyengijabule ukuthi umfuna kafelo wena Titi. Angagcini kuhlolwa before umngcwabo. Ahlolwe even afterwards because my daughter nearly went crazy. Angathi ukuthi angithini. Ngingasakhali. Daily. Ngingasakhali. One thing, the saddest part nge-MIT, I still love MIT. The saddest part nge-MIT, ngilokuthi Baker, lo wangihlangabeza. Wala sesifike eBedford Town. Bayale emaphoyiseni. Wala ngehle mina sengehla ngithi ngifuna nje kubuda. Wala. Two kwi-MIT. Iyona kuthi ingangilayeli lo bhuti lamthola lo mfana. Ngiyobonga, Kuthi
Ke make khona la sesisala khona.
Okay.
Nyalo America.
Yes.
Okay,
Ngihamba nini?
hamba nathi ke uyangcwatshwa Kabelo.
Ngotshwa 28 Saturday, 29 siyaphumula briefly, Monday ngiyandisa.
Okay.
Ngifika the following day shothi the early what's the name of December. Ngoba ngahlala nje uviki.
Bawukile wandiza before.
Yini le umba nampela mne yona lo mnye ibhuti mne ngabona athi igamine but nje wenta kona shemo wamagoma. Siva bathi la kaZombothi kunalomunye bhuti uyathandazelana. Ngiye innocently. Ngiya. But all will be well ngoba naku senifuna kuyekela ka teaching. Utawugcinwile ngeshe. Mina ngifuna ukusebenzela abantu abami. Kani bhuti uboniswa simne sengiya ngebubi. Ngimbone after sekwenza nje iminyaka. Ngithi bhuti, kanti wena uthi ngangibona ngangiyeke mina ngithi nomuntu uhamba ngomfana futhi abafile. It wouldn't be nice ukuthi ngikutshele lo. Wabona yena.
So after the funeral you go to the States?
And ngifike States, Shem. Ngena office to office. Oh, this is so and so. Oh, this is so and so. Oh, this is where la bekafunza khona eklasini Titi bangithola. Then sefika kulenye room. So this room, it had a hammock.
Okay.
Nangibuka le hammock ngiphila. Sengibona lokwe tafeta like, yabo lokhu ngathi ngithi mina awamabelala la. Ngiyasho athi Holy Sweet babelala la. Silabe kulala badathi bekulala either Abita Sisa, the Ethiopian guy, or noma Clinton Scroggins, he's American.
Yeah.
Bathi ngalenye ilanga ke sebabhalile la kulena. Bathi ke Kabelo ngalenye ilanga bebalele base bavuka bebadadisha badiscuss. So uyavuka ke Kabelo uyahuva sekungcolile uyahuva. Making noise, but we have to live in clean environment. Ngithini nebani ke. But nje like I say, ngiyaba support ngeva just how banufelwe committed suicide ngiyabekisa. I went to this couple labala ezulwini. Ngaye bakamdlovu. The student wa commit suicide la eNtabeni eWaterford. A girl. Ngaye nangifika. Sebathi awuthi introduce sengifike nje kusefike lo mndeni. Basho wena ngisho. Angibone Mr. Ndlovu was a former principal la eMkhondo. Nje kube njalo ngiya support.
Yeah.
So like
lapha lokuvakashela lemindeni
evelelwe atobona nangilomunye. Yabona nje lengazange ngumsupport ngilwase Cape Town. Bale ngaseSolanis. But it's not late usengaya ngoba umfana wena Titi, I don't know. Shena emadvots, I've never had a husband. But umfana, kuneng lama exchanges la endeka la kuwe nae blood, all those kusi, this is mom. Kufa kumfana is just an engraved cross in you. ngoba mne nje ndakubekusela kabelo bengithina ngivuka ekuseni sengenda bo breakfast babo uyabona ngenda konke aqhamuka amemba kabusi. Where will I get that? Nakangibona libhodo amabhodo ami phela siyakuthanda into ezinhle thina angifuni ibhodo efast ilumi nangibona ngicecekisa le handle ngathi nangibuya Saturday so wabeke lapha secarpetini uyawaqinisa ngale that crew driver lathi thola le esempose ka form 1 uyangiqinisela sekuqinisa abanye small things make up a man and small things can cause a lot of distraction in one's life. So ngazama, I'm happy. But lengakusho nge-suicide. Awumhleki umuntu ngoba mine nje khona lo wangihleka. Kwathi hawu beyifanele i-suicide kwenteka noma she didn't have money. Yathi nayishaya khona ke nyalo laba nemali khona ngathi ngikhona. Or helping in whichever way. Wathi lo cause they are relatives ngengibasho. Wathi lo baba ngibani lo? Base bamtshela awumathi sagcina sesixoxisana angakhulumisi umuntu lo baba namhla uyamada umuntu. Ngifuna kangibona uyakhona ukuthi. So all I'm saying is bayidinga support kakhulu but ke lokunye lokwenta ukuthi ema suicides abe high kangaka. You look at Lesotho number 1 bese sine sibang number 2. Liholo lelincane. That comment was lamented by one psychologist. Angimangisamatlo sisithi ngibani. 2023 mid-year 2023 wathi so long as bantu bahola i-full stop nganaka la but awucommit ama-suicide lo mbani baba athi hawu nami ngicela kuya ku-trip kodwa imali hlalana nami sengiphendula ngiyafada uyayibona nto leyo but bayasibona lesimo sikabi like he once said wawenta njani ngangithengisa i-maniknet ne-ice cream i-treat ithengiswa lapha Checkers le luthi senginelibhuku ngiyabhala wena ukathi u-A unginike R1 kushoda R1 wena unginike emalini but that's something lebe yisita sabantwana bakhona ukugibela athi Mr. Sabethe wakaxolisana R5 kuyembabana umfana isikole R5 kubuye sithengisa nala maniknet nala kotas ngawuthengisa leli etincane labo Mr. Shabang Modevula sifuna igigimi yakho hayi mashida akho bathenge bese ngithi kulomuka Mr. Shabang kunelibhuku la athi uNkosi yami sekubalile ngithini ngibanike bese ngisamnika ukuthi angibuka athini lo mfana. Swazis are trying but all I can say the suicide rate iphakeme because ungangitshele wena ukuthi ahola 1.8 2.5 that's where I'm ranging kodwa kule umali leyo kufuna ngenteni ngiyalo ngithengisa pele nabathengile I'm happy ngiyobhadala 110 wakadubs nabathengile I buy cause lokunye kufuna utinake na utinaka ungathi ugezile ufuna ama supplements so that you reinforce the age yethu say critical satha ama supplements unake lo mtimba u reinforce na ungathatha supplement utawuwa angisho singengife but uyadinga kutinaka
How did life how did life change after the passing of your son? Ekhaya kuwe nje with your daughter ngoba phela beninong 3 senong 2 yashintsha kangakanani family dynamic?
Yashintsha drastically mina ngagibela indiza ngihamba ngaye eCanada ngashiya umntwana yabona ingqondo ukuthi bese ilimele
Wa resign aka teaching
ngaresign sengile eCanada but ngiyabatshela I remember going to Bennett na Mrs. Gininza 3 times yata ngikhona I think into befuna bayisuggest kubomduduzi inkambula asenimthathe manje nimbeke no not counseling akayosebenzela lapha akhweshe kule environment
I see
akhweshe kule environment
lokuhlala lapha
ngwana uphuma umile Lavrand ngasitambona qhamu ubuye esikolweni ngiyababonga nabo sesibamshem nomcebo was helter skelter wentani ngoba kwasekuthiwa bathi bakazwane hayi sitawukhipha inkomo ngabuka athi kanomcebo kutawuphuka la makhabethe akhe hayi akwentiwe ama sandwiches kufry kuthenge ama chicken ema drumsticks kwaba kanjalo.
So you left the country after
no counseling wazama a certain matron makwaDeluyengo ubased Deluyengo shem wazama but nje lena uyayithola le counseling hayi kudlala.
So what did you do when you got to Canada? Umshiya kuphi Tepe?
ngimshiya Durban ngithi phinda uthatha ithutha atibeka andintombi bese uyahamba ekhaya.
Unganani Debe lapho?
Sizocela sifunzayo. Ngalapho ngayenza imistake vele bekamncane. Kube ngahamba naye because they consider that una 18. Ngahamba naye 17, 18. At that time, in fact, generally, those countries they do consider ukuthi ngihamba nana ngumfana. Vele emaphepha utawathola fast kuze lo mfana benefit ngoba wena bayathi eventually you'll go back. You'll go back.
Now figure Canada, were you going there to work?
No,
Uthi
before
nawufika
ngisebenze, there were counselors because bese babatshelile my social worker la kule shelter bengihlala khona ukuthi kunana i-case nayo.
Okay.
So the social worker, my social workers, they got closer to me, Yvonne White, thank them. Bangzama Shem, Bangniketa, a certain professor at University of Toronto, ngathola support from Black Cap, Rose Jerry, le support yayikhona. Ngithi ngithi kwani ngibalisa but Shem kusese fresh.
Yeah.
That is where la udzinga le support yalabantu khona. Bayidinga nje kakhulu hayi kancane.
Wahlala isikhathi esingakanani Canada?
Roughly 2.5 years.
2.5 years, and then you came back.
I had to come back because umfana vele ngamshiyile.
How is life now? Kepa, how long ago was?
Oh, Kabelo, this
Husband.
16 years ago. 16 years ago.
Does it get easier?
It does get easier, but when you miss him, you miss him. Like music, nje ngiyavuka ngisho ebusuku, jayive mina. Ngoma taputi. Ngiyavuka ngijayive. Estadi nje bayathi cha kwaba ngiSunday simandi. From 1 o'clock nakabuya eSonville. Uvulela ivolume ibe lapha. Ngijayive. Ngijayive nje ngiyathi consola ngalokho.
What would your advice be kubatali who have lost children, especially laba la kusesekusha kibo kusabobotha vele?
Ngiyafisa lokuthi basithinze mina nje ngiyafuna kuye. Phindze ngibuyele. Banamathele kuNkulunkulu. I remember the first time sekangwatshiwe sengibuya ngesheya ngaye eSonville. Looking at la bekahlala khona. Sukuma sekutaba nesermon eSonville. Kwaba ngimi lo niketa isermon. Ngi angry, bitter, nje ngibalisa. No. But anyway, like Thasisa asho kule diary. Invethi njena you can never comprehend. Like I said too, ngiyajabula lokuthi ngabonisa ukuthi awuthona. Nakuthiwa thenga iBhayibheli. Kodwa kwathatha isikhathi. Akudlali le healing process. You wish you could jump. I remember there's this Butwa kaThabet uthethe Miss Shongwe lapha. Ngambuda ngathi njengemfundisi, sele how many years ithi sesiyele ezulwini sesiyobonana? Was over 50 years ngathi. Nje ngingasikahle, ngangingasi labathe time heals, basho lo.
Baqinisile.
Kuba ngcono. But nje uyakhuluma ngaye. Uyakhuluma.
Siyabonga Mshengo. Thank you for sharing your story. Siyaxolisana lapho sikufunke khona, but we are really hopeful that umbukelo Echoes of the Kingdom, that you learned something today about parenting, about sacrifice, about loss, and most importantly about healing. This is Echoes of the Kingdom, connecting eras one voice at a time. Siyabonga.